What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining how I traded both sides of the market and ended up profiting today and exactly how things turned around for me. So first of all, I want to discuss exactly what happened with the earnings yesterday. So yesterday was Tuesday, October 25th, and today, it being Wednesday, it is the day after Google and Microsoft both reported earnings. So Microsoft ended up reporting good earnings while Google reported very bad earnings, causing Google to sell off. So since Google was selling off, SQQQ was rising because it is the inverse ETF of TQQQ. So TQQQ was going down with Google. Now, that being said, SQQQ was rising, and I saw there to be some potential with it today. So as soon as the market opened, I took a position in SQQQ anticipating that it would go up. I took a very light position, something that I knew that I could lose, and not be super distraught about it. So I took that position. As we can see here, it obviously did not go according to plan. So SQQQ, as soon as the market opened, it was very volatile in and around here. So on this candlestick, I averaged up, right? I bought in on this candlestick initially, but I didn't buy in a large amount. As the market, kind of trended up and SQQQ trended down, I saw these lower highs here, right, on SQQQ, and I decided to get out of SQQQ, and I lost some money in that trade. But at that same time, with those lower highs forming on SQQQ, I decided to turn around, right, and enter TQQQ, because lower highs on SQQQ means higher lows on TQQQ. So when you turn around, right, TQQQ was trending up the entire time. So I got out of SQQQ, got into TQQQ, made all my money back and then some on TQQQ on a trade. I believe I got out somewhere around here before it pulled back, and then I took another small position after this dip bounced off the EMA line. So that was a great, it was just a fun time trading today, because even though I lost that money and I was kind of distraught about losing that money, I was able to make it back within the day by being more aggressive on TQQQ after losing money on SQQQ. And looking back, I see the mistake that I entered too early on SQQQ, and you guys can take from that as well. Do not, I got a little ahead of myself because the Google earnings were poor and because I figured the market would continue to trend down. With that being said, that's why I took a position initially on SQQQ. And I averaged up, right, anticipating that it would continue to rise up. I thought, the market sentiment has to be in SQQQ's favor because the earnings report was bad. That led not to be true. And one thing that I definitely learned from today was cutting losses is very important. Now, I could have cut losses earlier. I could have lost less money, yes, but I held on to it a little bit too long, right? And I lost more than I wanted to. Now, luckily, I made it all back in TQQQ, but that is a lesson, another lesson learned, and a lesson that you guys can take from as well. So when entering a position, if it's not going in your favor, instead of waiting around for it to turn around and come back, although SQQQ has come back today, right? Although it has come back today, instead of waiting for that to come around and you to make your money back on that same stock, it's best to cut losses when you can, because you never know if it's just going to continue on a downward trend, right? So obviously we can see here on TQQQ, with me getting out of SQQQ, I was able to take advantage of a trade on TQQQ, and then I made more money than I lost on SQs, and it ended up being a positive day. So yeah, that's a great lesson to learn from. I'm glad I could take a video of it and report it to you guys. If you guys learned anything from this video, please drop a comment, subscribe down below, and I'm going to keep making more videos like this. Hopefully you guys can learn from some of the lessons that I'm learning from as well. Position size is key. Light position size when entering, and average up when direction's in your favor, right? So yeah, couple lessons from today, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. The Facebook earnings are about to come out right now. I'm about to watch those Facebook earnings. I'll report on those later, upload a video for you guys. But thank you guys for watching today's video. If you have not already, hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll be making more videos like this, so stay updated. And I hope you guys all have a green day.